So, this is part 2 of the top 12 where we explore 6 more technologies and advancements. If you've liked the previous part, you will definitely love this one. Without further ado, I'm Rithwik. Welcome back to the Mechatricon and let's get started. Rithwik Exoskeleton. Now, let's uncover the groundbreaking technology behind the Rithwik Exoskeleton, which is revolutionizing mobility for individuals with spinal cord injuries. The exoskeleton utilizes a combination of lightweight materials, electric motors, sensors, and sophisticated control algorithms. When the user initiates movement, sensors detect the intention and send signals to the exoskeleton's motor, which enable the device to move in sync with the user's body. Advanced algorithms help in maintaining balance and adjusting gait patterns to provide a neutral and stable walking experience. The Rithwik exoskeleton not only restores mobility but also offers significant physical and psychological benefits such as improved cardiovascular health, enhanced bone density, and increased confidence. It's a prime example of the merge between biomechanics and robotics, enhanced quality of life. NASA's Robonaut. For the 8th, let's explore the incredible technology behind NASA's Robonaut, the humanoid droid that is designed to assist astronauts in space exploration. Robonaut combines advanced robotics, teleoperational systems, and dexterous manipulators to perform complex tasks in microgravity. Equipped with a wide array of sensors and cameras, Robonaut can perceive its surroundings and interact with objects with human dexterity. Teleoperation allows astronauts in the ISS to remotely control Robonaut's movements and perform intricate tasks that would otherwise be challenging in the absence of gravity. The integration of advanced machine learning and AI algorithms enables Robonaut to learn and adapt to different scenarios, which makes it an invaluable asset to space missions. Through assisting with experiments, repairs, and maintenance tasks, Robonaut helps in advancing scientific research and opening new possibilities for human exploration beyond Earth's boundaries. Festo's Bionic Kangaroo. Let's uncover the captivating technology behind Festo's Bionic Kangaroo, an extraordinary robot that emulates the jumping capabilities of its biological counterpart. Bionic Kangaroo features elastic springs and pneumatic actuators which store and release energy to mimic kangaroos' powerful leaps. Advanced control systems and sensors enable the robot to adjust its jumping force, angle, and landing, which ensures stability and accuracy. By studying the biomechanics of real kangaroos, engineers have been able to replicate their jumping in a robotic form. The Bionic Kangaroo showcases the seamless integration of mechanical engineering, control systems, and biomimicry, offering insight into energy-efficient locomotion and inspiring advancements in mobility for various applications. This remarkable technology has potentials in fields such as rescue and research operations, challenging terrains, the development of agile and efficient robotic systems. Tesla Bot. A humanoid robot designed by Tesla and Elon Musk. While details are still emerging, the Tesla bot aims to assist humans with manual tasks and navigate human environments. The robot will be equipped with advanced sensors, AI capabilities, and a combination of mechanical and electrical systems for dexterity and mobility. With its human-like form, the bot aims to provide a safe and intuitive interaction with its environment, and it holds a promise of becoming a reliable personal assistant, performing repetitive or physically demanding tasks and allowing humans to focus more on complex and creative endeavors. The Tesla bot represents a significant step towards the future where robots coexist with humans, augmenting our capabilities and again improving our quality of life. Soft robotics grippers. The second last one, let's take a closer look at the soft robotics grippers and their incredible technology. These grippers are designed to mimic the gentle touch and adaptability of human hands, which makes them highly versatile in various applications. Soft robotics grippers utilize soft and flexible materials that can conform into different objects, shapes, and sizes. The grippers use a combination of pneumatic systems, advanced materials, machine learning algorithms, algorithms and all to manipulate objects. The pneumatic systems provide the necessary force and control, while the machine learning algorithms enable the grippers to learn and adapt. This technology revolutionizes robotic manipulation, enabling robots to handle fragile items, work with irregular shapes, and interact with delicate objects that traditional rigid grippers cannot. Soft robotic grippers have the potential to transform industries like manufacturing, e-commerce, and logistics, opening up new possibilities for automation and efficiency. Boston Dynamics Spot. Last but certainly not the least, let's uncover the extraordinary technology behind the Boston Dynamics Spot. Spot is a four-legged robot renowned for its agility, versatility, and advanced mobility capabilities. It employs a combination of advanced sensors, dynamic balancing, and state-of-the-art control system. The sensors provide a comprehensive understanding of the surroundings, allowing it to navigate in complex terrains, climb stairs, and even challenging environments. The dynamic balancing technology ensures stability and adaptability, allowing Spot to recover from disturbances and maintain its position while in motion. Spot's control systems employ sophisticated algorithms optimizing locomotion that ensure efficient and robust movements. With its remarkable mobility, Spot finds applications in various industries such as research, inspection, and even assisting in disaster response. It's a true testament to the potential of robotics in enhancing our capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what machines and humans can achieve. And there you have it. We've dived into the science and technology behind 12 of the most groundbreaking marvels in robotics and engineering. From the flying capabilities of Volocopter to the collaborative behavior of Festo's bionic ants. Each innovation showcases the convergence of engineering, robotics, and advanced technologies. They push the boundaries of what is possible and inspire us to imagine a future where robotics and engineering play a vital role in shaping our world. We hope you enjoyed this exploration and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Remember to stay tuned to Mechatricon for more fascinating episodes on the forefront of technology. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep your gears turning. That's all. See you tomorrow.